Hi friends, today I am showing you this Koogel 8 pieces silicone rolling pin set. So they are like 15-inch of non-stick rolling pins, 9-inch for kids rolling pin, scraper, chopper, silicone oil, brush, spatula, and this can be used by both parents and kids for baking. So I'm unboxing now so that you can see all the parts inside it. So they are like two large silicone rolling pin. So there are two in number. So one is blue, one is orange. So this is easy to roll. These are the oak wood handle and the silicone rolling pin. These are the spatula. So for the silicone brush. So these are the silicone and very soft bristles, and these are the sets of the dough cutter and the scraper. So it's like the dough cutter, one is flexible, one is solid. And two small 9 inches around rolling pins. So the same wooden handle and the silicone rolling pin. Easy to use, easy to wash and clean, safe. So this is a BPA free, non-toxic and eco-friendly food grade silicone, and the wood is made of oak, heat resistance and splinter free. So this is 100% free, for safe for use for kids or adult. So the other color, the blue and orange. Here are the sizes. So this can be used on these or to bake all of these.